Approaching over the two-story house. I think that they got audited for when they used to fly slowly over that house and come at me like I'm coming to get you. I'm experiencing this all on my own in my head, but that's what I'm trying to project. And so here he comes crossing over the tree. So I'm not going to make a long clip because I'm low on storage and I know the police copter's out. Now he's making a left. He just almost hit a jumbo jet. Jumbo jet's right there, and Cessna's right here. Cessna just turned. So he's staying on my roof. So he's made a left, and now he's making a right circle. It's his job to use up my storage, but I'll just delete jumbo videos. Takes all of 2 seconds. Now he's crossing perfectly over to the fireman's house. And there's a huge white jumbo on the left with a blue belly and possibly a yellow-orange tail. There goes the Cessna continuing right there. And here's the jumbo.